Pashto gay, beginning gay, and then you have the end gay. Then you have sin, which is written like this in the alphabet, but it's truncated when you write. Of course, you end it right about here, and you see these three pits going, one pit, two, or we can call the valley one valley, two valleys, and you have three valleys like this. That's the beginning scene. This is middle scene with three valleys, and the end scene, the third valley being deep and long. Sheen is the same way, one valley, two valleys, three valleys. That's beginning sheen. Middle sheen, one valley, two valley, three valleys, and end sheen, one, two, and the third one is down like that. It's a deep valley. The Pashto sheen or sheen is customarily written like this with three valleys, one on top another. This is transformed into this form. The middle is 1, 2, 3 in this form, and the end is 1, 2 with the third deep. That's khin. Sod is customarily written like this in Arabic, but it is truncated into this form. Middle sod is like that, and end sod is just like the alphabet sod. So if you connect them, they go like this. Dot is the same way, it's truncated. Beginning, truncated in the middle, not truncated in the end. So there's a dot, dot, and a dot. If you connect them, they look like this. Toy is written like this. Middle toy is written like this also. And end toy is written like that. So if you connect them, they look something like this. Zoy is the same way. In the middle and the end. Ein is usually written like this, but when you write, you truncate into this form. Middle ein can be written like that, or some people write it as this form, and the end ein can be written like this, or it can be written into this form. So let's write again. Ein, ein, ein. All of these are eins. Rein would be similar, except for it has dots. Rein and rein. Like this. Beginning, middle, and end. Fa is usually written like this, but in the truncated form, it's written like this. Fa in the middle, and fa in the end. So if you connect them, they look like this. And then Kaf is just like, is similar to Fa, just Kaf, Kaf, and Kaf, like that. Kaf. Kaf is truncated in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. Gaf in Pashto is like this, beginning, middle, and end. Or some people write the Pashto Gaf like this. They're both correct. Lam, beginning, Lam, middle, Lam, the end. Mim, Mim, beginning is truncated, you don't go down. Mim in the middle is very similar. Mim, and Mim at the end is like this. Nun, Nun in the middle, Nun in the end. Pashto Nun, 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 and Nun. Beginning, middle, and end. Wow, beginning, but there's no end. Wow at the end. Hey, which is customarily seen as this, is usually written as ha in the beginning, like a V in the middle, and a triangle on its side at the end. Yeah is written like this, but when you write beginning it appears like a ba, but it has two dots. Ya in the middle, and ya at the end. The Pashto ya, beginning, middle, and end. The feminine ya doesn't have a beginning, it doesn't have a middle, but it does have an end with its tail. The Pashto ya plural does not have a beginning, it does not have an end, but it has a ya at the end with that scribbly line. I hope you enjoyed this section and you found it to be helpful.